W with MRMIKE.
Hi friends, today we are going to draw a baby bird cracking out of its egg and saying, "Feed me, I want some food." Actually, I think it's saying, "Tweet, tweet, tweet, tweet." But translated, "Feed me, I want some food." So to create this drawing, we only need 3 basic lines and shapes. An arc, a line, and a zigzag. And I always like to say, zig, zag, zoo! So when we get to that part, we'll have to say zigzag zoo together. All right, let's see how it all fits together. Let's think about where the head is. The head is going to be here. And I'm tracing the circle, the shape of the head, without even using my marker. So I know that it's going to be about this big, and I haven't drawn anything yet. Okay, so I'm going to create an arc about this big, right there. And then I'm going to make another arc on this side about this big. So if there's any point in the video you need to pause it and catch up, just go at your own speed, catch up to where we are, and then join back in with us. Next, we're going to use 4 lines, and we're going to create the beak. So we'll go up, down, up, and down, and close that shape. Next, we're going to use an arc to create a closed eye. It's a happy eye. So we'll have it go like this. Now we're going to add 2 more lines. 1, 2, and that's the body coming out of the egg. Next, let's add in 3 short lines. 1, 2, 3. And that's the little birdie going, "Cheep, cheep, 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 cheep." Or translated, "Feed me, I'm hungry." Okay, so back to the drawing. Let's add in a zigzag. And we have to say the sound effect together, okay? Remember, it's zigzag zoo. So when you draw your shape, we're going to start here and we're going to go zig, zag, zoo. And then we're going to do it again. And we're going to make another zigzag. Zig, zag, zoo. And then we're going to make one more, okay? One more, and we're going to go zig, zag, zoo. And now, with those zigzags all together, we've made the cracked shell where the bird came out of the egg. So now we can finish the egg. We'll add in an arc on this side, starting here, coming down, and stop right about there. And then we're going to add another arc on this side. We'll start here and we'll come down and stop right about there. Next, let's add in what would be the nest. Now we're not going to draw the whole nest. We're only going to draw a part of it. All right, and we're going to do that by using short lines. So we'll use a line and another line this way. And you can make these lines go whatever way you want, because you're the artist. And when you look at a nest, there are so many little twigs and little pieces of different, like grass and all sorts of different things that a bird uses to create its nest. They could be like stems on leaves or small twigs, branches, and they're all bunched together really tight. So we're just showing some lines to say that this is a nest, and they can go in all different directions. Just like this. Okay, and we don't even need to finish it all the way down here. We're just going to add in a few more lines going in all different directions. Okay, like that. Okay, so We have our nest and our egg and our bird. Great job following along. Now, what color choices are you going to make for your bird and your egg and your nest? Are you going to color the sky in or not? Those are choices that you should make because this is your piece of art and you are the artist. Now, if you follow along to the end of the video, you can see what color choices that I made, and you can follow those if you want, or you could make up your own. It's whatever you want to do. Now, if you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button, because every like and every subscriber helps me to continue to make more videos. Thanks so much for following along. I'll see you next time, okay? Bye, everybody.
Let's draw with Mr. Mike.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.